How to clear cache on Spotify. Clearing the cache on Spotify can help free up space on your device and resolve various issues related to playback and app performance. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to clear the cache on Spotify. Without much ado, let's get started. Launch the Spotify app on your device. Ensure to log in or sign into your particular account on a Spotify app. Now tap on Profile at top left corner of the screen. On this left panel, select Settings and Privacy. Scroll to the bottom and locate and open the option of Storage. Now on this Storage section, tap on Clear Cache button. Confirm by tapping Delete Cache or Clear Cache again. And that's it. That's how we easily clear cache on Spotify. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Subscribe and press the notification bell for more tech and tips. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.